Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting precise lines that advance your argument. Pick 2 to 3 quotes that clearly relate to your thesis and are 10 to 40 words long. Once done, mark the sentence boundaries and record the speaker or author and context so you can introduce each quote accurately. Make sure to transcribe punctuation exactly and note any unusual capitalization. Then decide whether you will embed the quote or set it apart as a block, based on length and emphasis. Now integrate each quote directly into your prose. Introduce it with a signal phrase like the author's name and why their voice matters, then weave the quotation into your sentence so grammar stays natural. Once done, adjust punctuation and use brackets or ellipses only to clarify or omit. Avoid altering meaning. Make sure to provide an immediate citation in the required format, parenthetical, footnote, or in text, so readers can verify the source without interrupting. Finish by always explaining the quote. State how it supports your claim, why it matters, and what logical step follows. Once explained, tie it back to the thesis so the reader understands the connection. If a passage is long, paraphrase key ideas and cite the source rather than quoting verbatim. If your quote seems to conflict with your point, address the contradiction honestly and recontextualize the evidence or swap to a quote that better fits the argument.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.